First thing you do is open the glove box, and those two parts right there, you're going to pull them out, the tabs. And after you pull those two out, it'll pop down. From there, you grab this little hook and pop it off, and your whole glove box will come off, just like that. On the left-hand side, there's that latch. You have to pop it off by pushing it in. From there, you're going to pull left and slide it out. So you're going to get this, you're going to push this part up, and then you're going to slide it out like that. So put it back in. Set it right here. And then push in like that and pop that piece in. And that's how you do it.